You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this beautiful island in the Canary Islands of West Africa. So the English pronunciation is as Tenerife, but there's no reef in Tenerife, is there? Well, I mean, in the pronunciation, yes, that's your correct English pronunciation, Tenerife. But you have to know that in Spanish it's pronounced Tenerife, Tenerife. Therefore, you could say Tenerife as well, or Tenerife. But yes, Tenerife is how it's pronounced in English, Tenerife, the Spanish pronunciation, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.